delighted to welcome you in your online classroom. Unfortunately, many people give up while trying to learn sewing online. One reason is that there is so much assumed knowledge. Other problems may be missing information, chatting for minutes about irrelevant matters, heads or hands in front of what you're trying to see, and it can be very frustrating. The reasons for signing up can vary. Perhaps you are just very tired of the way your clothes don't fit you right. Perhaps you have a style and flair that cannot be satisfied by any store-bought clothing. Perhaps you learned sewing at school or from your granny and just want to get back into it. You might think your sewing looks homemade, but the correct procedures might be the simple answer. Whatever your reason for being here, this is the correct place to start. It is, however, important to understand the realities of embarking on such a journey. These skills are not developed in a day or a month or even a year. I've been sewing seriously for more than 40 years, and I still learn new tricks. It, however, takes time to perfect the skills and to learn what works and what doesn't. You also need to have or develop some of the following characteristics. They are patience, precision, perseverance, practice, perception, positivity, personality, and lastly, your level of experience. Your levels of these will determine the outcome of your journey. Your knowledge of your own strengths and weaknesses will tell you where you need to develop. But please do not be discouraged. These lessons are geared to take you from frightened beginner to a place of confidence. All you need to do is relax, stick with it, and practice. You may be wondering whether your machine will work for these lessons, since I will be using a different one. Rest assured, domestic sewing machines use the same method for making stitches. A needle thread from above and a bobbin thread from the bottom together form stitches. The thread path on your machine might vary, but it is very easy to figure out. All machines have a straight stitch. There will be a setting for longer and shorter stitches. Additionally, your machine will need to have a zigzag stitch. For this, a stitch width setting is used for wider or narrower stitches. A reverse button is standard on most machines. For beginners, a speed setting is useful. Most newer machines have a needle threader. A one-step buttonhole feature is absolutely fabulous and time-saving to have, but is not essential. If you sew regularly, your machine should be serviced every 6 months or so if you want it to continue producing beautifully for you. So, without any further ado, let's get going with the sewing by taking a look at your sewing environment.